Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a full factory reset operation on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So, first of all, you're gonna need to open the Start menu on your laptop, then go to Settings, then open System on the sidebar, scroll down to Recovery, and here select Reset PC next to Reset this PC option. Now, also make sure that all of your important data files are backed up somewhere else in your external cloud or on the external SSD, on the external flash drive, wherever. Once you're ready, click Reset PC. Then to perform the full factory reset, we have to select Remove Everything instead of Keep My Files, as this option will basically perform the settings and apps reset. So let's select Remove Everything. Then if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, you can choose whether you want to download new Windows copy from the cloud or reinstall it locally using the system files. If you suspect your Windows to be corrupted with some malware, use cloud download. And if you want to perform factory reset quicker, go with local reinstall. Then click Change Settings on the following page. And here, if you want to erase your Windows completely, so along with the system and basically everything else, and make it harder to recover, you have to switch the toggle to the right. It also plays along well if you're downloading Windows from the cloud, but it might take hours of work, and it's very suitable in case you want to recycle or resell or just return your device to the store where you bought it. Now, if you just want to perform a regular factory reset, switch this toggle to no. Then in Download Windows, we can choose whether we want to reinstall the Windows locally or from the cloud. And sometimes you might also have an option to either erase your system disk only or all drives. And yeah, this basically means whether you want to only delete data from disk C or from all disks you have in File Explorer. Once you're done, here click Confirm, then Next, then make sure to connect the battery, make sure to connect the power cable to your PC. And once you do it, let's wait for a couple of seconds. Get to know with the changes that will be made, and once you're ready, click Reset, and after that do not unplug the power cable and wait until the factory reset is finished. Usually this process takes about 15 minutes up to several hours, depending on the choices that you made during this process. Just wait until the factory reset is finished. Okay, and at this point the factory reset operation is finished. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.